Okay, hello everyone, here is Kostas, Sierra Victor 3 Oscar Romeo Alpha, and it's summer 2024, and yes, they have managed to do it again. Um, Here's what I get on 40 meters when I try to listen 40 meters, and here's what I get on 80 meters. And let's check 160. Yeah, here is more clean. And 30 meters, again pulsating noise. And 20 meters, again pulsating noise, huge noise. And 17 meters, you see all this noise. And here also 21 megahertz, see how huge the noise is. And let's check at 24. Here the band is quite clean, and yeah, here we also have pulsating noise. So you see almost all bands on HF. Let's check also 6 meters. No, it's more clean here. Still I can see the pulsating noise. So yeah, that's the thing. They have managed to do it again after about 6 months from the previous fix on the mains transformers here. The company fixed the transformer that I have showed them, and the bands were quite clean, but again after 6 months or so I get this. So what do we do about it? And thankfully I have now the solution here, the noise blanker, the NR-1 noise blanker, that has really saved my day here, guys. So let's switch this on and go to about here's I think about 20 meters. It's for 20 meters. So here's what I get without the NR1 switched off. And if I switch this on, you see? Here's what I get. And again, I'm doing this in one hand as I'm holding the phone in the other. You see? Notice also the signal levels. It's not an attenuation. It completely removes all of this noise. Let's go to that little signal there.
Okay, this is Italy Kilo 3, United November, America calling QRZ.
Check out the difference.
CQ20 from Italy Kilo 3, Uniform, November, America.
Okay.
Italy Kilo 3, United November, America.
Let's go to to 40 meters. Now I have this switched on. So here is with NR1 switched off. Now there are no signals on 40 meters. It's about 3 o'clock in the noon, but you can see the pulsating noise. And let me switch the IMD 2 positions below. We're going to 40 meters now, and switch this on. You see? I don't know if you can see. Let me switch the preamplifier a little bit on. You see? And if I switch this off, you see how massive is the pulsating noise. It really saves your day. The NR1 really saves your day here. Now let's go to 17 meters. Again, let's configure the IMD to go about 3 positions up, and switch this on. See, guys, it's amazing. It really saves my day here. So that's why I keep telling you on those videos, it's really doing the trick here. Now let's switch this on again. Now let's switch on the noise blanker. Here's the noise blanker. Let me go to that signal. Here's the noise blanker switched on of the 7300. Here is off. Here's on. Notice the distortion here. It does some work, but notice what if I switch the NR-1, switch the noise blanker of the IC-7300 off, and then I will switch the NR-1 on. So, see what happens. You see? It completely saves your day here. I mean, with this switched off, you can't do shortwave, guys. If I click the noise blanker of the IC-7300, yeah, the situation is improved a bit. I do have the distortion on the signals, which is due to the way the noise blankers work, all the noise blankers work of the machines, of the transceivers. But if I switch the NR-1 on, see how the whole spectrum is cleaned up and no distortion on the signal. So it's pretty amazing. Now let's go to another band. Let me switch the NR-1 off again and go to 21 megahertz again. You see this huge pulsating noise. Okay, I'm gonna tune on this RTTY signal and then switch this on. I'm changing the settings now here in the AMD. Yeah, I think the best position is here. Let me switch off the NR-1. You see? It's really amazing. And let's go to, let me switch off the NR-1 and go to the 24. Yeah, I think there was no noise here. Let's go to 10 meters. I can still see some pulsating noise here. So let's try the last position in the IMD and switch this on. Yeah, you see? And I can increase a little bit the gain also here. Just a little bit. So this is with the NR-1 switched off, and this is with the NR-1 switched on. So you see, great difference here. Really day and night, guys. Okay, let's switch this off again. Let's go to lower than. Let's go to 80 meters. I still see pulsating noise here. Let's reconfigure the NR-1 for 80 meters, the AMD, and switch on. But I have to do a little bit of more settings here. Decrease a little bit the gain, just like so. And maybe, yeah, a little bit the output of the NR-1. Yeah, I think it's the right position here. So see all this pulsating noise on 80 meters again, and with the NR-1 you only see the actual signals. Now of course you can barely see a little bit of things here in the waterfall. It's noon now, and the band is obviously not, there's no propagation on this band currently. But you can see clearly the effect here. And let's go to 160 meters. Now here the situation is a little bit worse. I don't know if I have pulsating noise here. I'm not sure there is any pulsating noise currently here. But let's try maybe a little bit here. Let's try this on 160 meters. Now this is attenuation, guys, okay? Don't be confused. I have attenuated now the signal. Now I'm going to increase a little bit the gain and a little bit the output. Yeah, I think it's... I don't have a reference signal now here in the band to see how much I have to increase the gain and the output, but yeah, clearly it removes also. I see some pulsating noise here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, and it does remove that noise, okay? So obviously it's working in all bands, and I would like to check also the The 50 megahertz is 6 meters. Let's see at the 6 meters. I think I don't have much noise here. I don't have pulsating noise here. So it's been a little bit. I can't show it to you. I think increase the gain a bit. No, I have some. Do I? I see those horizontal lines, so I should have some. So let's see. That's too much gain now out of the NR-1. Let's decrease a little bit the whole thing here. Decrease the gain, decrease the output. Let's see. Let's switch off the NR-1. You see all those horizontal lines, they go away, and the vertical signals continue to. Yeah, so it's obviously working also here on 6 meters. Yeah, it definitely works. Let's go to 70 megahertz. Let's see, now it's the NR-1 is switched off. Let's increase a little bit the gain. I don't think I have pulsating noise here. Maybe just a few lines. Let's see. Let's switch on the NR-1. Do the correct settings. Increase a little bit the output. I cannot see great effect here, but it's still working, I think. Let's increase. We have to be careful here. The settings are a little bit touchy. Let's go on this. Where is it? On this signal. Alright, let's switch off the NR-1. Well, I don't know. I can see some horizontal lines. You see those lines? And when I switch on the NR-1, I can hear the signal. Maybe we need a little bit of more output. I don't know. We have to be careful here. Very touchy settings. Yeah, I think just about there. So it does work also there. It seems it does work. Alright. But really within HF, let's go on 14. And let's configure the NR-1. And switch this on. Now this is attenuation, so I have to touch these controls, the balance almost to the right, and touch the other two controls, the gain and the output here, to bring the signals back.
YU6 Delta Echo Alpha, low 59013.
Let's switch off the NR-1 and then switch it on again. Yeah, guys. I think I need a little bit more gain, more output.
Okay, 013, okay?
Yeah, it's just amazing. Let's tune to a scene. Let me switch the NR-1 on. Let's tune to that tone, okay? I think that's a PSK signal. So yeah, no PSK signal, no audible signal. And when I switch on the NR-1. Okay guys, I think, I hope you enjoyed that video and see the problem that I face here. And I think some of you would be unfortunate to have the same problem, so I wanted to show you the effectiveness of the NR-1 noise blanker on this type of situations. It's really a difference between doing HF and not doing HF at all, so it has really saved my day here, guys. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can find more information on my website qrp.gr, okay, Quebec Romeo Papa.gr. So thanks for watching. 73.